class 11. Today we are going to solve some questions based on parallax methods. Now before going to solve the questions, first we must know how to calculate the degree in terms of radian. So here is one question to calculate degree in terms of radians. The question is calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute of arc. It is also known as arc mean. 1 second, it is second of arc. It is also known as arc second in radian. Use 360 degree equals to 2 pi radian, and 1 degree is 60 minute, and 1 minute is 60 second. 1 degree is 60 minute and 1 minute is 60 second. So first we know that 360 degree equals to 2 pi. 360 degree equals to 2 pi radian. Now if we divide this equation by 360 degree, you will get in left hand side it is 1 degree. So it is the case for A. So 1 degree equals to 2 pi by 180 degree, 360 radian. Now we can put 2 ones are 2 into 180. So 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree equals to, what is the value of pi? It is 3.14 by 180 radian. Now remove the points. After decimal there are two numbers. So 314 by 180 into 100 radian. Now 100 means 10 to the power 2. If you reciprocate it, it will become 10 to the power minus 2. So 314 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 180 radian. Now divide 314 by 180. You will get 180. So 4 is left here. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Put the point 0. It is 7 times 700. 7 8 56. 7 1 7 12. 80 is left. 180 into 4 is 720. Again 80 left. Again 4 times. So 1 degree equals to 1.744 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. Now this is the case of degree, 1 degree. Now next is B. For B, we know that 1 degree equals to 60 minute. Now first we have to calculate 1 minute. If you divide this equation by 60, you will get 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 degree. 1 by 60 degree. So 1 minute equals to 1 by 60. So 1 minute is this radian. So 1 by 60 degree. 1 degree is this radian. So 1 by 60 degree is 1 by 60 into this radian into 1.744 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. So 1 minute equals to 1 by 60. Now remove the points. 1744 into 1000, because after decimal there are 3 numbers, into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. 1 minute equals to 1744 by 60 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian. Now divide 1744 by 60. 1744 by 60. 1744 by 60. This equals to, now 2 times 120. It is 454. It is how many times? 6 9 54. 540. 4 left. 0. 0 times again give 0. 6 6 are 36. 360. So 29.06. 1 minute equals to 29.06 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian. Now take out 110 from this number. So 1 minute equals to 2.906 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian. So this equals to into 10 to the power minus 5 radian. If you multiply this number with 10, you will get this number. So 2.906 into 10 is 29.06. So 1 minute equals to 2.906 into 10 to the power 1 minus 5 is 10 to the power minus 4 radian. This is the case for minute into radian. The last question is second. For second, we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. This is the case. See, if you divide this equation by 60, you will get 1 second equals to 1 by 60 minute. So 1 second equals to 1 by 1 minute is 2.906 radian into 10 to the power minus 4 radian. So 1 by 60 minute means 2.1 by 60 into 2.906 into 10 to the power minus 4 radian. 1 second equals to, now again remove the point, 2906 by 60 into 1000 into 10 to the power minus 4 radian. So 1000 is 10 to the power minus 3. So 1 second equals to 2906 by 60 into 10 to the power minus 7 radian. 10 to the power minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Now divide this 2906 by 60. 2906 by 60, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 240, 506, 6 8 48, 480, 26.6424, 206318. So 1 second equals to 48.43 into 10 to the power minus 7 radian. Now take out 110 to make this significant. 4.843 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 7 radian. If you multiply 10 with this number, you will get this number. So 1 second equals to 4.843 into 10 to the power minus 6, because 10 to the power 1 minus 7 is 10 to the power minus 6 radian. Now these are the case of degree in terms of radian. Now move to next question. Okay, the question is, the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on Earth. Suppose this is Earth. Now it is the diameter of the Earth. Now moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the Earth. So here it is moon. Here it is moon. This is Earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon by the two direction of observations. So angle subtended at the moon is 1 degree 54 minute. So this angle is known as parallactic angle. So parallactic angle is 1 degree 54 minute. Given that the diameter of the Earth to be 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So diameter is 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. Now complete the distance of the moon from the Earth. So we need to calculate the distance of the moon from the Earth. So first we will calculate the angle theta. So theta is 1 degree 54 minute. 1 degree 54 minute. So theta equals to 1 degree is 60 minute plus 54 minute. Now we need to multiply by 60 second. Convert it into second. So theta is 114 into 60 second. So theta is 6424, 6168, 6160 second. So we know that 1 second equals to 4.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. So 1 second is 4.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. So 6840 second is 6840 into this. So this equals to 6840 into 4.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. If you multiply, you will get theta equals to 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. So it is the value of theta. It is given that the diameter of Earth is 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. Diameter is represented by B equals to 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. We know that this is considered as length of arc. B equals to theta into radius. Theta is theta and radius is s. We used to calculate this quantity, distance. So s equals to b by theta. S equals to, what is the value of b? B is 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So put the value 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 divided by theta is 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now it is in meter. S equals to, now remove the point, 1276 into 10 to the power 9, because minus goes on numerator, it becomes positive. So 7 plus 2 is 9 divided by 332. Now in this irrational number, after decimal there are two numbers, so we'll multiply here 10 to the power 2. Here 1.276 means there are three numbers after decimal, so it is 10 to the power 3 meter. Then we can cut here this 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, so only 10 to the power 1 is left. S equals to 1276 into 10 to the power 9 minus 1, because here is 10 to the power minus 1, divided by 332, it is in meter. So S equals to, now divide 332 divides 1276, 1276. It will be 3 times 326, 339, 699. Now subtract it, 0, 17 minus 9 is 8, then 11 minus 9 is 280, 0. Now put the point, 2800 is equals to, we can give 8 times, 8 to 16, 8 3 24, 25, 8 3 24, 26. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 times. This equals to 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now this is the distance of the moon from the earth. Therefore, the distance of the moon from the earth is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Therefore, distance of the moon from the earth equals to 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now this is the answer. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.